Achoo! Sneezing face. Why do we sneeze? Sneezing is your body's way of protecting you. When dust, germs, or pepper enter your nose, they tickle the inside. Your brain quickly sends a signal. And boom! A sneeze shoots air out to push those tiny invaders away. A sneeze can travel really fast, up to 160 kilometers per hour. So next time you sneeze, remember, your body is cleaning your nose like a superhero. Did you know this? Thanks for watching. Subscribe, think and tell for more fun fact. See you next video.